For fun fact, guys, have you ever heard of Canary Islands? Well, Canary Islands is a group of 7 islands in the south of Spain, pretty much down, actually near north of Africa. Now, these islands are so popular in Europeans that a lot of Germans, Britishers, and Scandinavian people, when they get retired, they come to these islands and then they settle there for the rest of their lives. Some of the hottest and beautiful islands are Gran Canaria, Tenerife, La Palma, La Gomera. So next time if you are around Spain, try to visit Canary Islands. I hope you like the fun facts. Stay tuned.
My beautiful folks, how are you? Welcome to the class. Today we will learn conditional perfect for verbs ending with er. Well, it sounds a bit technical. The objective of the class is to be able to say things like I would have done something, you would have done something, he or she would have done something, we would have done something, you guys would have done something, and they would have done something. And the example verb that we're going to take today is comer, which means to eat. Now also folks, this concept that we're going to see today is valid for all the verbs in Spanish which end with er and are regular verbs. And we already know that regular verbs are those verbs which have a standard approach of getting conjugated. So let's move on folks. The rule is very simple. You first of all need to have conditional conjugation of haber, which is an auxiliary verb which means to have, and then make a word which is formed by replacing er with ido in the infinitive or the root verb comer. Ido plays the role of done here. So let's take a look. In our favorite table of first person, second person, third person, singular, plural, habría means I would have, habrías means you would have, habría means he or she would have, habríamos means we would have, habríais means you guys would have, and habrían means they would have. Now let's combine the word formed by replacing er with ido in comer and add to each one of them. So the result looks like the first one is habría comido, means I would have eaten, habrías comido, you would have eaten, habría comido, he or she would have eaten, habríamos comido, we would have eaten, habríais comido, you guys would have eaten, and habrían comido, they would have eaten. Now folks, you might have observed that habría is exactly same in first person and third person, but that's how the language is and we have to respect it, and based on the context you will understand whether it is for first person or third person. Well folks, that was about the session today. I hope you learned and enjoyed this beautiful concept, and after this you'll be able to speak Spanish even more stylishly. If you wish to continue learning from me, please subscribe to my channel, and till next session, take care, goodbye, ciao ciao. Bueno estudiantes, ahora saben una cosa más que es muy preciosa y ahora pueden hablar el idioma español con más estilo. Bueno, muchas gracias. Hasta luego. Chao, chao.